Howdy, my name is Sheriff Abstract and I'm packed with facts, so beware for what I share. They don't teach you this knowledge in college. Fancy introduction out of the way, I'm going to present a short demonstration in regards to the reliability and credibility of digital sources, so listen up. See, back in the day, modifying fake things to look real took a lot of time and skill. Nowadays, most things become much easier and accessible. As an example, let's take my good friend and valuable deputy, Michael here. So this is his normal, handsome self. Now how about we enhance him like this? Maybe bring back the glasses as well, see? Now mind you, I'm doing all of this on my smartphone. Now, this is all due to machine learning. You see, artificial intelligences learn patterns and they attempt to match the patterns on their own, utilizing deep learning to progressively gather higher amounts of information from data given to them. Simply put, AI can learn to replicate things and make them appear dangerously realistic. Currently, the trendy thing is artwork created by computers, especially this one. It caused a lot of controversy and drama at an art competition. Fun fact, I was made by an artificial intelligence. Check this out. Pretty cool. Fortunately, there are still flaws that can be observed. For example, this image you can see lines from when the program would him to hide his glasses. Or here where I made him a movie star. But you can tell it's not quite right because the colors don't match or the glasses form a weird shape. Now that just covers the visual side of things. It's now possible to easily manipulate audio as well to make people say something they never said before. But for now, let's get back to basics such as text manipulation. Come and sit down with me. Welcome to my fine office. This is where I hunt down all the misinformation that goes on. Now let us hop onto the interwebs. I will show you something interesting. Now let us see. The American frontier. Old West? No, I don't think so. It's the best West, not the old. Let's fix that. I abhor disinformation. Pardon. And it's as simple as that. This can be done on all websites, but fortunately the change is only visible to the person that did it, unless they took a picture of it and spread false information with it. So remember to look into where a video or a picture has originated from. While we're on the interwebs, let's focus on references. These are very important when news and articles come out, as they cite where the information for the story comes from. Without references, it's hard to tell whether someone's telling the truth or lying. So, remember to do your research, as technology evolves, so must their perception and critical thinking. Stay on your guard, partner, and I'll see you next time.